hero of Kvatch. It is truly an honor. May I, by chance, craft you some armor or sell you some wares? With my craftsmanship, I'm certain no foe would ever fell you. In fact, recently I made a fearsome bow for a husband of an ex-lover of mine. I see the folly of making such a deadly weapon for that particular person now. See the inlay of this dagger. See how it shines in the light of the heavens. Pardon me. Apologies for that. Oh, here, let me show you the sword that I've been working on for some time now. By the nine, that blade is harder than Oblivion itself. Oh, yeah. You know what? I'm sorry. I think I'm gonna close up shop early tonight. My liege. Bless you. I'm okay.